Hey everybody, today just want to do a quick video on solving systems of equations in LabVIEW. A lot of us LabVIEW users are engineers, so we've gone to school for engineers, whether that be for, electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, some other engineering trade. A lot of others are, physicists, scientists, in which case, you're also learning this stuff. So how do I solve systems of equations? In school, you got to do it by hand. Once you're out of school, you can use computers to solve it for you. I just wanted to show how in LabVIEW you can solve those systems of equations. So I kind of just have a simple example here. So I have, and I can show you, this is a matrix data type. So have that pulled up there. This is a real matrix. So I'm just doing a 3 by 3. So this is going to be a 3 equations, 3 variables scenario. So here we're inputting coefficients. So just pretend, right, this is an equation in the format of some coefficient times x plus some coefficient times y plus some coefficient times z. So here we're just including the actual coefficients that are going where these pound signs are here. And we also have a known vector. So this is going to be that these things equal something, right? So, and I've gone ahead and I've put numbers in, and these are totally just random numbers, so I don't really even know what the solution vector is going to be. Just put some numbers in. So we've got our 3 equations, and our 3 variables are x, y, z. And this is going to output us a solution vector, which x is going to be the first item, y is going to be the second, and z is going to be the third. So this way we'll know what the variables have to be to satisfy all of these equations to give us these known vectors. So that's basically what this example is to show. Now I want to show you the code for this. So super simple, right? It's a single function. It's this solve linear equations function. So all it takes in is an input matrix, and we're passing in a known vector. We also can specify the matrix type for like a simple thing like what I'm doing. General is all I need, right? And then it does all the work. So it really takes no programming at all. It's just knowing that this function exists, right? So I had the question, well, how do I solve, systems of equations? And I had to go in and try to figure out, I kind of went down the rabbit hole of trying to write something myself that would go do it. And then I realized there's a function already in LabVIEW that does it. So this is how you do that. And again, this function is specific to linear equations, but you can do all other sorts of stuff too. Just take a look in the linear algebra stuff. This is where I found these. Let's run it, and there you go. So really quick and easy, and it lets us know that x needs to be 3.41, y needs to be negative 0.58, and z needs to be negative 1.08, and that will satisfy all 3 of these equations. So that's going to be how you can solve systems of equations in LabVIEW. Thanks for watching.
Canon Controls is your gateway to mastering LabVIEW. Dive into programming for data acquisition, industrial communications, and manufacturing automation. Explore how to enhance your projects with cybersecurity best practices. Join the journey to elevate your skills and secure your systems with every episode.